If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the products that we use on daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine. All of us use plastic and its products day in and day out. In our washrooms, we all have plastic products such as tub, mug, and tumblers. Not even in washrooms. Many of us have plastic chairs and tables in our living room or in our garden outside home. You would have certainly observed plastic stools used by many households and shopkeepers. You see the news, it's bad for the planet. However, you also see the reality, your entire home built on it. From the bucket in your washroom to the pipe in your kitchen. Plastic is the silent empire that runs our daily lives. As an investor, we don't ignore empires. Invest in what you can't stop using. Think about your house. Who made the durable plastic chairs you sit on? Who made the pipes carrying water? When we switch from consumer to analyst, we realize this demand is inelastic. It's not going away. Plastic. It's your girlfriend. She's everywhere, wherever you go. She is dependable, affordable, and just perfect for every need. However, the truth is, you can't quit her. And as long as you are stuck in this world, in this relationship, it will keep printing you the money. But she has a lethal tantrum. She is not good for the environment. Not only this, the real money often lies in the plastic that you don't see. Think about the infrastructure. When you turn on a tap, you are interacting with Astral or Phenolics industries. They dominate the PVC and CPVC piping space. Every new building, every plumbing repair, every irrigation project relies on them. The water that all of us use in our washroom and in our kitchen on a daily basis is also stored in water tanks. These water tanks are installed on the roof of our houses, and these water tanks are made up of plastics. Here we have found the businesses and some companies which are in this niche. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks, which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then